Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn off chat option in Zoom meeting application. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom meeting application in my phone, and here I have created a virtual meeting in my Zoom meeting application. As you can see, here I have created a virtual meeting, and for example, I'm going to disable or turn off the chat option in this virtual meeting. So first of all, we can click on the more option and select the security. And here, if you want to disable the chat option, you just need to click on this chat with. Okay, and we can click on no one. So no one can send chat on this Zoom meeting or this virtual meeting. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off chat option in Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.